Hey there guys, this is Ronnie from Davies Locker. Today bringing you another knot video. Today I'm just going to go over a real basic connection knot, which is the uni to uni. This knot's super easy knot to tie, real helpful with beginners I find, but it is also a real universal knot. We can use it from braid to mono, and we can also use it from mono to fluorocarbon when it comes to, bonita, yellowtail fishing, just a little more towards the summertime. So the first thing you're gonna do, I like to start with the braid side, and I just take your braid side and your mono, you're just gonna cross them like this, and then you're just gonna pass the braid over the mono. On the braid side, I normally do more turns than the mono side. I'd go about 5 or 6 twists maybe on the braid. I'm gonna bring that tag end round, and I'm gonna do the same thing again. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull that one tight. So your braid side's nice and tight. And you can leave the tag end for a minute. And then you're gonna go to the mono side and do the same thing. Normally go 3 or 4 times on the mono though, just because this is a little heavier. If it was a lighter monofilament, you could probably do a few more turns. Same thing again. Make a loop 4 times round. Do the same thing again. Pull that side tight. And I do like to wet this just because it's braid against mono. And then these 2 sides, just pull tight like that. And you can cut off those excess tag ends and leave a little bit of tag end, just in case the knot's not quite tightened down enough and it snugs down when you hook a fish. And there it is guys, uni to uni.